Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome back for another video. And I'm just looking at my plants and seeing and just showing you how wonderful they're doing so far. This one here, my Monstera, I brought that in from outside, and it always seems like Mother Nature does better at taking care of this. So we're going to see how well this does while it's inside. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And if you're new here, I hope you click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. Here you'll be inspired to thrift your house into a home. Now, let's get started into what I do have that was thrifted, and that was this. I found a George's Briard vintage. They call it the disco ice bucket because of the gold look on it, and it has like that disco globe look. So it is a nice piece, and I forgot I had it stored away. And when we were doing the yard sale, I found it again. I guess that's what happens when you have a lot of stuff, that we always buy because we see and we like. So I just did a little switcheroo and took out the other ice bucket and put this one on. And if you notice, my faux plant is on a stand, and that's because I needed to move it. And this is why. There is another elephant in the room. Isn't this a nice wooden carved elephant stand? Well, it's not mine, it's my sister's, and she left it here by mistake. So I just had to instead of leaving it in the car or just store it away, I figured I'll just use it in the meantime. And I put my other plant over here, and actually I really like it, so I'm gonna hate to have to give this up, but it's okay. I understand it's not mine. She bought it at the yard sale, and yes, it was $30. I was jealous. And since I'm on a buying hiatus, I figured I'd just do a thrift with me on the Facebook marketplace, because I do still like looking, because you just never know what you'll find. Oh, and I did find these lamps for $6 each. Now let's jump to the marketplace and look at this shell back chair that I found for $70. And then this vintage, but this is actually an antique chair from roughly around the 20s, and this was only $50, and that was a great deal on this chair. This pair of faux trees was $40 for both of them. And then the peacock chair, the mother of them all as I call it, this one was $400. I wish, but anyway, I didn't get. And this armoire, believe it or not, is like a TV cabinet, and it was only $5. They just wanted it moved. Another excellent buy. So I don't know. I just hated to pass that up. And then this wicker chair was only $30. Not a bad deal at all. And then the etagere, just $65. Yes, I was very close to getting that. But again, I have to practice self-restraint. I need to stay off of this, but I can't help it. I just browse it all the time. And then I found this African birthing chair, and oh my gosh, I really wanted to get this. And for $50, I just didn't feel like driving an hour away, but that's okay. I didn't need it. And this nice vinyl console cabinet is really nice for records and stuff. But look at the details in the wood on this. Totally love it. And next up is another beautiful carved mirror for $140. This is totally vintage. It was carved in the back, made in June of 1994. I love the details on this mirror. Oh gosh. Yes, your girl has it bad, but luckily I'm just window shopping. And this pair of chinoiserie benches or tables for $100, not a bad price. And look at this room divider, or they call it the screen. Another great buy for only $45. Next up, another vintage mirror for only $50. Mirrors are out there, so please just keep looking. They're out there instead of going to retail. And you could see the price is a really good price. And these, remember these ghost chairs? And look at that, $35 for this. And of course, if you want to start your own bar area, of course, the decanters and the glassware is out there. This set was only $35. And I had to stop my heart when I saw this lamp for only $50. Ugh, look at that lamp. I should have made a beehive there, but I didn't. And another elephant stand that was listed for $45, and a wicker plant stand was listed for $35. Now these are excellent prices. That's what I'm saying. Just keep looking at that marketplace because you're going to find it. And this Art Nouveau style torchère lamp was only $100. This dinette set with the glass top was listed for $50, and it had 2 chairs. And then check out this beautiful Blackamoor lamp listed for only $55. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. And then here we go, another dinette set for $100. And then check out this Duncan Fife sofa listed for $1,000. Look at the beautiful carvings and the wood details. This sofa is definitely a keeper. I wish. And then here comes another Chase Lounge, and look at that, $200 for this beautiful piece. Now you know this would look fantastic with some new fabric on it. And can we get a high five on these chairs right here? 6 of them for $80. You cannot beat that. And not to mention this antique settee for just $150. I love the carved details. And last but not least, this swag vintage lamp for only $30. So there you have it. Thank you again for tuning in, and I hope you appreciate this Come Thrift with me on the Facebook Marketplace. And remember, beauty is being home and loving it. If you like this video, don't forget to drop me a comment, like, and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.